Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FreshBooks account. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for FreshBooks. Press enter to navigate to the FreshBooks website. Look for the login button located in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the designated password field. Before clicking Login, ensure your entered information is correct. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password by providing your email. Once your email is verified, set a new password. Return to the login page once your password is reset. Repeat the process of entering your email and new password. Now, click the Login button to access your FreshBooks account. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. Make sure there are no typos in your email or password. If problems persist, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. After clearing the cache, revisit the FreshBooks login page. Re-enter your email and password, then click Login again. If you continue to experience difficulties, contact FreshBooks support for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to securely log into your FreshBooks account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.